Hello everyone, welcome to our online class. So in this class we will see 2 marks questions from mathematics 3 probability and statistics. Okay, so 2 marks questions are very important. So we will get 14 marks from 2 marks questions. I think you know, everyone know this one, right? So 7 questions he will give you. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? So each unit 1 2 mark question will come, and remaining 2 questions he will give you according to his choice, right? So see the first question. What is the question he is asking? He is asking here, if P of A is equal to, if P of A is equal to 1 by 5 and P of B, P of B is equal to 2 by 3, P of B is equal to 2 by 3, P of A intersection B is equal to 1 by 15. Then what is asking here? Find P of A complement intersection B. What is asking here, ma? P of A complement intersection B he is asking, ma. Okay. How to solve this problem? See, simple here. So solution, this is a 2 mark problem, correct? The solution also very short, right? So given P of A is 1 by 5, P of B is 2 by 3, P of A intersection B is equal to 1 by 5. That you have to write, ma. So very important. Whenever you are solving the problem, you write the given data. So what he given here? Given P of A, probability of A is equal to 1 by 5. Probability of B is equal to how much, ma? 2 by 3. Probability of A intersection B is equal to how much? 1 by 15. What we have to find? P of A complement intersection B. So what is the formula? P of B minus P of A intersection B. So P of B 2 by 3, P of A intersection B is how much, ma? 1 by 15. So LCM is 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 2s are 10, minus 1. So 9 by 15, 3 3s are 3 5s are. So that is the answer, ma. Understand here? So important problem it is. He gave for 2 marks here. Okay. So take down. The second one he gave, define MGF of discrete random variable, moment generating function of a discrete random variable. Random variable, any random variable MGF you have to find. Then you have to find mean of exponential distribution. This is already is there. Mean of exponential distribution. Exponential distribution he is asking, ma. Then fourth one he is asking, define rank correlation coefficient. Define rank correlation coefficient. In that we have 2 formulas are there. When ranks are repeated, that one formula is there. When ranks are not repeated, that formula also is there. So try to solve 2 formulas, or just write 2 formulas, ma. Then is asking, write any 2 uses of F test. Uses of F test he is asking. See the F test and go through the F test and write the uses, ma. Then is asking variance of Poisson distribution. Variance, okay, variance of Poisson distribution he is asking, ma. Then he is asking, write the normal equations. Normal equations of y is equal to a plus bx. This I think you know, right? So these are the short answers he gave in one paper, ma. Just go through all the previous year question papers, 2 marks question. So spend some time on short answers, so that you will get at least minimum 10 marks from the 14 marks. This is one paper. So in the another paper he is asking like this. See, in another paper, first question he gave, define conditional probability. Conditional probability he is asking. Definition of conditional probability. Then define binomial distribution, ma. So define binomial distribution he is asking. Then define skewness. About skewness, definition of skewness we have to write. Then define null hypothesis. So what is the null hypothesis? NH. Then he is asking, define population and sample. Population and sample. These are the questions in one paper. Then coming to the another paper, see the next question, ma. A continuous random variable capital X is a uniformly distributed. So problem on uniform distribution he gave here with mean 1 and variance 3. With mean 1 and variance 3. So what we have to find? We have to find P of x less than 0. Okay. How to solve this one? What is the definition of uniform distribution? We know that. What is the definition of uniform distribution, ma? We know that f of x is equal to 1 by b minus a, uniform distribution, right? Where a is less than x is less than b, 0 otherwise. Correct? So that is the definition of uniform distribution, ma. Now he gave here mean. Given mean of uniform distribution is how much? Mean mu is equal to 1. Correct? Mean mu is equal to 1. Actually, what is the mean of uniform distribution, ma? Mean of uniform distribution is b plus a by 2 is equal to 1. Correct? So what I get here? I get here a plus b is equal to 2. This is one equation. Second one, he gave here variance is equal to 3. Correct? So what is the variance formula? Variance is 1 by 12 b minus a whole square is equal to how much he gave here? He gave here 3. Correct, ma? So b minus a whole square is equal 1 by 12 b minus a whole square is equal to 3. Cross multiply this part. So b minus a whole square is equal to 12 3s are 36. What is b minus a? Plus or minus 6. B minus a is how much, ma? Plus or minus 6. Now we have to find the values of a and b. So what I get here? B minus a is nothing. Yeah, this also can be written as minus a plus b is equal to 6. One equation. Minus a plus b is equal to minus 6 is another equation, ma. So take these two equations. If I take these two equations, a plus b is equal to 2, then minus a plus b is equal to 6. Solve these two equations. This is 0. 2b is equal to 8. B is equal to 4. If I substitute in place of b 4, so what is a value? 2 minus 4 minus 2. So therefore, what happened here? A is less than b. Correct? So that is the condition. No? A is less than x. X is less than b. If I take another case, what happened here? A plus b is equal to 2. If I take the another equation, ma, minus a plus b is equal to minus 6. So these two are cancelled. 2b is equal to minus 4. B is equal to minus 2. If I substitute in place of b minus 2, I get a is equal to 4. Here a is greater than b. So this is wrong, no? So we have to take a is less than b case. This case is correct. So therefore, what is a value? A is minus 2. And what is b value, ma? B is 4. A is minus 2 and b is what? 4. Clear? Now what you have to find? You have to find P of x less than 0. So therefore, therefore P of x less than 0. P of x less than 0. What is the formula we have? Integral minus 1 to what is 1 second. What is a value, ma? A is what? Minus 2. Okay. So a is what? A is minus 2. Sorry, ma. Minus 2 to 0. Correct? So therefore, what is the function, ma? 1 by b minus a. B is 4 minus of minus 2 into dx. So what I get here? 1 by 6 into x, ma. Limits are minus 2 to 0. If I substitute upper limit 0 minus of minus plus 2 by 6, I get 1 by 3. Okay. So this is the problem on uniform distribution. Okay. Next problem, ma. A continuous random variable capital X is uniformly distributed with mean 1 and variance is 4 by 3 he gave here. So in this case, what we have to do? So mean is 1. Okay. 1 second. Let me erase it. So mean is 1. So that means b minus a, b plus a by 2 is equal to 1. So a plus b is equal to 2. This is one equation. And variance is how much, ma? 4 by 3. So for variance formula is what? 1 by 12 into b minus a whole square is equal to 4 by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So b minus a whole square is equal to 16. B minus a is equal to plus or minus 16. So take any one equation, b minus a, that means minus a plus b is equal to 4. So 2b is equal to 6, b is equal to 3. So here when b is equal to 3, what will be the a value? So if I substitute here 3, a is equal to minus 1. So this implies a is less than b. That condition we got. If I take another condition, I get a is greater than b, ma. So what we have to find here? Same, P of x less than 0 we have to find. So therefore this is equal to integral minus 1 to 0, 1 by b minus a. What is b here? 3 minus of minus plus 1 into dx. So 1 by 4 integration of dx is x, limits are minus 1 to 0, substitute upper limit 0, lower limit minus of minus 1 plus 1, I get 1 by 4. Okay, this is the another problem on uniformly distribution. Sometimes this problem will come for 5 marks, sometimes it will come for 2 marks ma. Okay, see the next short answers, what questions he gave here. Next he gave here, define type 1 and type 2 errors. What he gave here, define type 1 and type 2 errors ma. Okay, this he it came for 2 marks. Okay, next one he gave, explain briefly F test. It's already it came. Next one, write about t test. He's asking about t test, small t test. This is from unit 5. Next, he's asking, write any 2 properties of normal probability curve. 2 properties. 2 properties of normal curve. Normal distribution curve is there ma. That in that he gave 2 properties he gave. So once again, this question. Achha, what are the 2 properties of normal distribution curve? Now see here. So for this normal properties, 2 properties. The first one is the normal curve is bell shape ma. First one is what? First one, the normal curve. How it look like? The normal curve is, it's look like bell shape and is symmetric about the mean and is symmetric about mean. This is one property. Okay, the second one, mean, median and mode are equal. Mean, median and mode are equal. This is one more property. He is asking 2 properties, no? Then another one, third one, the total area under the normal curve is equal to 1. Total area under normal curve is 1. Okay, these 3 properties you can take it ma. Okay, so this is the 2 properties of normal curve. This one question he gave here. Then another one is asking, define skewness of a distribution. This one also it came already. Next, variance of uniform distribution. Okay, this one also it came already. Next, find mean of uniform distribution. Okay, this one also we know. Next is asking, define level of significance. See, very important. Whatever the data, whatever the syllabus is there, he is covering all the topics from each and every year question paper. Define level of significance he gave in one question paper ma. Next he asked moment generating function of binomial distribution. Okay, moment generating function of binomial distribution. Next he is asking, write any 2 uses of chi-square test. Uses of chi-square test or chi-square test. This one also one question he gave. Okay, so these all are short answers ma. Just go through these all short answers, because short answers I already told you, no. So we are getting 14 marks from these short answers. Okay, there was one more question. He gave directly ranks. Okay, we'll see this question ma. See, when directly ranks are given, how to find rank correlation. See this problem. In this problem, ranks of AB are given ma. Directly he gave ranks. Then he is asking rank correlation coefficient. Very important. Whenever the data is given, then we have to take the ranks. Then we have to find D and D square. Correct? So whenever the ranks are given directly, so in this case, what we have to do? See, table to the given data. In the table, we take directly ranks, rank of A and rank of B. Then we calculate D value ma, rank of A minus rank of B. Then we find D square. Correct? So generally what happens for long answer, he will give you data, he will give you marks. Then we have to find ranks, we have to assign the ranks. Then rank of B, then D value, D square. But here what happened? He gave you directly ranks. Okay. So 3, 5, 8, 4, 7, 10, 2, 1, 6, 9. Then here rank of B 6, 4, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 10, 5, 7. Rank of A minus rank of B, minus 3, 1, minus 1, minus 4, 6, 8, minus 1, minus 9, 1, 2. So D square ma 9, 1, 1, 16, 36, 64, 1, 81, 1, 4. So take the calculator and tell me total how much we are getting. So using calculator I got total 214. So sigma D square is equal to 214. Check ma. So then rank correlation, rank correlation. What is n value here? So n is equal to 10 ranks here. So rank correlation coefficient is equal to 1 minus, use the bracket, 6 sigma D square by n into n square minus 1. This is the formula, correct? So direct, here there is no repetitions, no. So we have to use the formula here, correct? Then substitute the values ma. So therefore this is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma D square is 214. N is how much? 10. So 10 square minus 1 is how much ma? 99. So it is coming more than 1 second. Okay ma. So therefore how much we are getting here? 1 minus this total value 214 into 6, 1284 divided by 990. 990, no? So how much it is? Okay, 1 minus answer. So total we are getting minus 0.296. So 297. So check the answer ma, take the calculator and solve it. Okay. So this is also one important problem. So here he gave directly ranks. Whenever the directly ranks are given, what we have to do? We have to start from the direct rank of A and rank of B. No need to take again bigger value or smaller rank like that. Okay. Next. Okay. In another paper he gave this problem ma. Two lines of regressions are 7x minus 16y plus 9 is equal to 0 and 5y minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. What we have to find? We have to find x bar and y bar, that means mean of x and mean of y. So what we have to write? First of all, given two lines of regression, 7x minus 16y is equal to minus 9, one equation, and minus 4x plus 5y is equal to 3. So solve these two equations using calculator ma. So if I solve these two equations using calculator, I got x value is equal to minus 3 by 29. Then another one, y value is equal to 15 by 29 ma. So therefore mean of x is x bar is equal to minus 3 by 29 and mean of y is y bar is equal to 15 by 29. Take the calculator and solve it ma. So we will get the values of x bar and y bar. Okay, very simple question he gave for 2 marks. Okay, so generally he will give you definitions and he will give you small problems for 2 marks. Okay, so go through these all problems and go through these all previous year question papers, 2 marks questions also, so that you will become perfect in this short answers ma. Okay, thank you.